something that's very simple, but he's saying that this Hashem will enjoy it, but just prepare it like this. Okay, the word Hadron either means that we will return to you, that's like saying that we're going to learn this again, or it means that it makes us beautiful. Hadar. Hadron Allah. Our beauty is from you. Harei Eily, new Mishnah, new Perek. Harei Eily Yisaron. Someone accepts on himself to bring an Yisaron, a Mincha. Yavi Yachad. He brings one Yisaron. The smallest. He says, I'm going to bring one Yisaron. He brings one. Yisrainus. Let's say he says, I'm going to bring a plural. Yisrainus. In Hebrew, it takes a plural. A vav and a saf at the end. So Yavi Shtayim, the smallest plural is 2. Doesn't say you have to bring the largest. He didn't accept that vow. Accept the minimal amount of the plural. Pirashti v'eni deyama pirashti. He says, I designated an amount, but I don't remember how much it was. Yavi shishim yisaron. Has to bring 60.
That's the max.
That's the max. Harei Eily mincha. He says he accepts on himself a mincha. Yavi ezer shiyatzi. You have a choice of all 5. Rabbi Yavi mincha sasei l'shim yechedesh shebenachas. Rabbi says no. You bring the flower one, which is the first one, because that's the unique one. Okay, we'll see why in the Gemara why. Mincha, a mina mincha. If he says mincha or a type of mincha, yavi achas. Menachos, a min menachos. If he says a plural menachos or types of menachos, yavi shtayim. Pirashti v'enidea is a man pirashti. Here it's, I designated one of them, but I don't know which one. Then yavi chamishtan. Then he has to bring all 5. Has to satisfy his vow. Pirashti mincha shel Yisrainim. I designated a certain amount of Yisrainim to bring. V'enidea kami pirashti, and I don't remember how many it was. Yavi shishim yisaron. Yes, he brings 60. Rabbi says, Yavi Menachos shel Yisrainus me'echad vad shishim. You have to bring every single type, every single possibility. You have to bring a mincha 1, of 2, of 3, of 4, of 5. How many does he bring in total? Where's Avim Nasan? I'm not sure how to do this, but obviously you can add up 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
There's a formula.
There's a formula. I think it's 61 times 30. I think you times it by half.
Okay.
Why half? Because if you do 60 plus 1 is 61. 59 plus 2. 58 plus 3. 50. So you work it out from 1, and that will take you all the way down to 50. You'll have the full combination. So then you just multiply that. 60 times 30, I think. Anyway.
It's a lot.
Yeah. It's
he'll be a poor man.
Okay, the Gemara says Pshita, if he accepts on himself an Isaron, that he has to bring him Isaron, that's not a Chiddush. It says no, it's Reinas Yavi Shtayim, it's Tzrichalei. He needed to tell us that if he says a plural, that he has to bring 2. That's the Chiddush. The Gemara says Hanami Pshita. That's also obvious that he has to bring 2. So miyat esreina shtayim etzrichay. It's saying that he doesn't have to bring more than 2. That's the chiddush, because we could have thought that he has to bring more because he didn't say. And like the other cases where he doesn't say, he has to bring more to satisfy. He says no, he only has to bring the 2. Pirashti v'enidea ma pirashti yavi shishim yisaron. I said a certain amount, and I don't know how much I said, so misafik, because of the doubt, he has to bring 60. Montana, who's this opinion? Amar Chizkid like Rabbi. This is obviously not Rabbi, because the end of the Mishnah, Rabbi says different. Rabbi says you have to bring. Rabbi's opinion at the end of the Mishnah was right, and Rabbi Yochanan Amar Fil Temer Rabbi. Rabbi Yochanan says that actually the beginning of the Mishnah that has the same case, a very similar case to the end of the Mishnah, where Rabbi argues the beginning of the Mishnah could actually be Rabbi's opinion. But Imer Pirashti Esrenis, Avalei Kavatim Bekeli, it's probably Klei Echad. Yeah, but I designated Esrenis, but I didn't say that it needs to be in one Keli. So then the Maisi Shitim Esrenis B'Shitim Mani. You can bring 60 in 60 vessels. Okay. However, if he says in one vessel, then he has to bring all the combinations possible. Okay, we'll stop here.
Usually they say yesh b'klam masai